Alright, here's an attempt at a pretty basic 5-pin Mortise type cylinder. This is the key for it right here. I'm going to give it a shot and then I'll see if I can't get it disassembled on camera. So I'll go with Peterson jam, top of the keyway, and give it a little shot here. It was like 4. Come on, baby, go home. Go back over there to 4. Felt like 5. Coming back out. 3, no. One's loose, 2's. Felt like 2. And there's 1. There it is. Alright, got her open. Now I'm going to try to keep this in frame this time. Set this down over here. Alright. Set this down here, screwdriver. Take the back off. Those were meant to stay. Alright, little screws aside, little back aside. Alright. Little follower. Looks like it should fit. Yep. All right. Some pins. Pins are over there. So we'll go this way. There we go. All right. Looks like all 5 pins are in there. We'll go in 1. Looks like a standard. Pin 2 is a standard. Pin 3 is a giant standard. Alright. 5. And 4. Alright. Alright, then we'll go up in the chamber, the Bible. We've got see what we got here. We got pin 1, standard pin. This is a stock lock that I got off of eBay, so it's not a challenge lock, but it is a just wanting to prove it is an actual lock. People like to see a little proof when you're picking a lock. They want to know that all the pins were in there. Another standard. All the springs are standard, I'm sure. So there we go. A little close up on the pins maybe. And there's my first lock pick with a disassembly. Thank you.